Vīrabhadrāsana. Stand erect with your feet together and hand beside your body. Now take a distance of 2 to 4 feet between your legs. Point your right foot outward and keep your left foot at 90 or 45 degrees to the right foot, both heels in one line. Now turn the body from the hips towards the right. Breathe out. Push your hips down, bringing your right knee and ankle in one line and the right thigh parallel to the ground. Now as you breathe in, lift both hands sideways over the head and join your palms. Look forward. Remain here for a few normal breaths. Slowly come back to the initial position and relax. Repeat on the other side. Virabhadrasana tones and strengthens the arms and lower part of the body, like hips, calves, and hamstrings. It builds stamina and develops a balanced posture and coordination. It improves blood circulation in the body. It promotes digestion and enhances the functioning of abdominal organs. This asana is extremely beneficial for pregnant women.